Amazon, you know it, you love it, it's where you buy everything from socks to supercomputers. This company is a giant dominating online retail. And its stock? Well, it's been a wild ride. Amazon stock, ticker symbol AMZN, is a big deal on Wall Street. It's part of the S&P 500, a group of the 500 biggest companies in America. When AMZN sneezes, the whole market can catch a cold. Why is Amazon stock so popular? Growth, baby. Investors love companies that grow revenue and profits. Amazon has done that in spades, expanding from books to groceries to cloud computing. But here's the thing about growth stocks. They're risky. High expectations mean any stumble can send the stock plummeting. So, is AMZN a buy right now? Let's dig in and find out. Buying stock is like buying a piece of a company. You want that piece to be worth more in the future. That's where stock analysis comes in. It helps you figure out if a company and its stock is a good investment. There are two main flavors of stock analysis: fundamental and technical. Fundamental analysis is all about the company's business, its revenue, profits, debt, and management team. Technical analysis, on the other hand, is like reading tea leaves but for stock charts. It uses past price movements and trading volume to predict future price action. Both types of analysis use fancy terms and formulas. Don't let that scare you. We'll keep it simple. Remember, the goal is to find stocks with the potential for big gains. Let's pop the hood and take a look at Amazon's financials. First up, revenue. Amazon is a revenue-generating machine. They're like the Walmart of the internet, selling everything under the sun. But revenue is only half the story. We also care about profits. Amazon's profit margins have been historically thin. Why? Because they reinvest heavily in growth, building warehouses and developing new technologies. One key metric to watch is the price-to-earnings (PE) ratio. It tells you how much investors are willing to pay for every dollar of a company's earnings. Amazon's PE ratio has been sky-high for years because investors believe in its long-term growth potential. To determine if Amazon stock is a good buy, we need to calculate its intrinsic value. This is an estimate of what the company is actually worth based on its future cash flows. It's a complex calculation, but we can simplify it. Now let's look at the charts. Technical analysis helps us identify support levels. These are like floors for the stock price. When the price drops to a support level, buyers tend to step in, preventing further declines. Based on historical data, we can identify 3 key support levels for AMZN. These levels represent attractive entry points for investors. Here's a 3-tiered investment strategy. Tier 1, buy a small position at the first support level. Tier 2, buy more if the price drops to the second support level. Tier 3, go all in at the third support level, which represents a significant discount. Remember, this is just a starting point. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So is AMZN a buy? The company's fundamentals are strong, but the stock is not cheap. Technical analysis suggests there might be better entry points in the future. Keep an eye on those support levels and be ready to pounce when the time is right.